Cold out there, and you're going to look outside and notice you got a lot of snow. These are some of the latest snowfall reports that we've been getting this morning. So thank you to those who have submitted your snowfall totals. Most of these are from a little after midnight, but I will say Southwick there at the bottom is from 10:30 last night. So as I mentioned earlier, if someone's watching from Southwick and you want to send me a new fresh report, I would greatly appreciate that. But you can see a lot of us between the range of 15 to as high as 20 inches. Ludlow coming in at top on the top, 19 inches there. Agawam 18 inches. Chicopee 17 inches. Springfield, Southwick right around 16 and a half inches. So impressive snowfall totals. And we are continuing our 22 storm team weather alert, and of course the National Weather Service continuing a winter storm warning, because there's no snow falling out there right now, and the majority of the storm is over with, but we will likely see a little bit of some light snow redevelop as we go through this morning and into the afternoon. So some minor accumulation, around a coating to 3 inches of additional snowfall is possible as we go throughout the day. But